Hello everyone, our topic for today is about latitude and longitude. Mahalagang maintindihan muna natin kung ano nga ba itong latitude and longitude bago tayo pumunta sa pagpa-plot ng position. So latitude is the angular distance from the equator measured northward or southward along a meridian from 0 degrees at the equator to 90 degrees at the poles. It is designated north or south to indicate the direction of measurement. Ito yung ating equator. So, ang latitude, mag-start ng measurement from the equator. Kung pataas siya, north latitude. Kung pababa naman, is south latitude. So, pinapangalan natin yung north or south to designate the direction of measurement. Then, longitude. So, longitude is the angular distance between prime meridian and the meridian of a point on the earth measured eastward or westward from the prime meridian through 180 degrees. It is designated east or west to indicate the direction of measurement. So, andito yung ating prime meridian. So, nag-start ang measurement ng longitude from the meridian kapag pakanan siya, east, and then kapag pakaliwa is west. So, ito yung ating 0 degrees longitude. Kung sa latitude naman, ang latitude natin, ito equator, andito yung 0 degrees latitude going up to 90 degrees and then going down to 90 degrees south. So longitude 0 to 180 degrees. Yung 180 degrees nito ay nando sa likod. So ito yung equator natin, siya yung nagdi-divide sa earth natin. Kapag hinati natin, ito yung north hemisphere, sa baba yung south hemisphere. And ito yung ating mga meridians. Pag sinabi nating meridians, longitude yan. So, the prime meridian is 0 degrees. So, kung itong equator, itong mga numbers na to, yung 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, hanggang 90, yan ang ating north latitude. And then going down, 10, 20, 30 hanggang 90, yan yung ating south latitude. And then ito naman yung ating prime meridian, pakanan, east. So, 10 hanggang 180, andun yung 180. So, ito ay east longitude and then west longitude naman yung pakaliwa, 0 hanggang 180 degrees. Ito yung ating North Pole, sa baba yung South Pole. So, para may represent yung ating Earth as a flat surface, in-straight nila yung mga meridian as well as yung ating latitude. So, in-straight nila yan para makabuo ng paper chart. Ito yung ating Mercator chart. So, in-straight nila lahat ng longitudes and also the latitudes. Okay. So, babalikan natin yung ating Earth position. So, 40 degrees north, 40 degrees going up, 40 degrees north. Ito yung 40 degrees north. And then, 30 degrees west. Pag sinabi natin west, pakaliwa. So, bibilang ka ng 30 degrees simula sa prime meridian, 10, 20, 30. So, andito yung ating 30 degrees west longitude. So, intersection ng dalawang yan, 40 degrees and then 30 degrees west. Yun yung ating position. To continue with our topic, how do we write latitude? Example, latitude 1 degree north. It is written as 01 degree 00.0 minute north, where the symbol is degree and this symbol is minute. So 1 degree of latitude is equivalent to 60 minutes of latitude. In other words, we need 60 minutes to have 1 degree. In this chart, ito yung ating 1 degree. So, bago tayo makarating sa 1 degree, kailangan muna natin ng 60 minutes. So, ito ay, simula rito hanggang dito ay 60 minutes. So, ito yung minutes of latitude. Ganon din sa south latitude. So, 60 minutes para makabuo ka ng 1 degree. So, it is important to understand the scale of your chart. So, kailangan bago tayo mag-plot, tingnan muna natin yung scale ng ating chart. Gaya nitong chart na to, so mapapansin nyo meron ditong 30 minutes. Ibig sabihin, ito yung 30 minutes. So, ang basa rito ay 4 degrees and 30 minutes. So, dito. And then, andito yung 5 degrees. So, each small line dito is equivalent to 1 minute. And then, this line is equivalent to 10 minutes. So, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Andun yung ating pinaka 5 degrees. So, north tayo kasi pataas siya. Or 5. So, going up, so north latitude tayo. So, sa ating unang example na chart, so, kung andito yung ating 30 minutes. So, ang basa naman dito ay 00 degree, 30 minutes north. And then, andito yung ating 1 degree. So, each small line is equivalent to 5 minutes. So, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. So, 35 hanggang 60, andun yung ating 1 degree. So, paano naman sa ating longitude? So, how do we write the longitude? Example, 1 degree east longitude is written as 001 degree, 00.0 minutes east. So, ang ating longitude ay 3 digits ang degrees niya. Where the symbol, ito yung ating degree. And then the symbol is our minute. So, 1 degree of longitude is equivalent to 60 minutes of longitude. So, ganun pa rin. Para makabuo ng 1 degree, kailangan natin ng 60 minutes. Para dito sa small scale chart natin, so kung makikita nyo, ito yung 86 degree, ito yung 87 degree. Sa pagitan ng dalawang yan, meron tayong 60 degrees para makabuo ng 1 degree. And then, itong nasa gitna, yung medyo mahabang guhit, yan yung 30 minutes. And then, yung maliliit na guhit dyan, yung small lines, yan yung 5 minutes. So, ang longitude scale, ito yung pahiga. Ito naman yung latitude scale. So, itong example ng chart na to ay large scale. So, pag sinabi nating large scale, malalaki yung kanyang pagitan ng kanyang mga minutes. O large scale, maliit na area yung nako-cover niya. Kasi malalaki yung scale niya. So, andito yung ating 5 minutes. And then, itong solid line na to, kada solid line yan is equivalent to 1 minute. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then, yung malilit na guhit na yan is equivalent to 0.2 minutes. So, 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, 0.8. and then 1 minute. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yung 5, andito yung 10 minutes, ito yung 15 minutes. So, huwag kayong malilito. Pagbasa ng chart, makikita nyo yung notation niya na degree, kasunod ng number. Itong 5 na to, may kasunod siya symbol, minute. So, ang basa rito, 136 degrees, 05.00 minute east. So, east tayo kasi pagpakanan is increasing.